American Eagle team then setting off, and it's Mind Bloom who sprints to the front of the bike. He's got to change just the front wheel. I don't think this man is a fella that can sort out a Rubik's Cube in record time. Looking at those finger movements, very slow with this dexterous job. In goes the spindle. Just turn it, tighten it up, get it done. 27, 28 seconds. Well, room for improvement. As we now go to the rear wheel with Sebastian Finney. This should be the slower, more difficult of the two wheels, remember. The mechanic has to come out and do both. Lines up the rear derailleur, gets the chain over the cassette block. In goes the spindle. It's looking good for Finney. Phineas Finito. Here's the mechanic. All the pressure on this man's shoulders. Eric Van Overbeck. Textbook so far. Slow though on the outwind. Out comes the spindle. Switches it over. This is more like it. The time is ticking by though. It's focus that they've got to beat, remember. Leading at the moment with a 1:11. And I can tell you that Bart Brenchen's American Eagle team is not going to get near it. Still the front wheel to go. Well, surprising. That horn there, that deflated sound, echoing the performance of the mechanic here. I have to say it, it's slow. It's very slow. Get it wound in there, drop the bike, and he's done it finally. So Bart Brenchen's team there coming in 4th place for American Eagle, some 28 seconds off the bronze medal position. That goes to BMC Ghost. Well, they take 2nd, and then it's Focus who take the winner in by far the most important team competition of the World Cup. They are your Wheel Change Challenge gold medalists for 2018. American Eagle team then